Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you the print on demand that I designed on Redbubble. I hope you will be inspired to create your own design and sell it online as well. As I always mention in my video, you don't need to be a skilled illustrator or graphic designer. You don't need to be an artist. Indeed, I did not finish any degree in art. My only creative formal training is from teaching art classes at work and doing workshops. The rest of my experience is from working and pushing myself outside of work. If you want to succeed in this industry, you have to work hard and work smart. Don't waste your time. Go create.